Hey there, wonderful people. Today, we're diving into the top 5 TIG welding machines, handpicked to help you make smarter choices for your welding needs. Whether you're tackling DIY projects or professional tasks, these machines deliver performance, quality, and reliability. Let's explore what each one has to offer and find out which one might be the perfect fit for your needs. Don't forget to check the product links in the description below for more details. Number 5, we have the Tosense TIG 200. This welding machine boasts advanced IGBT inverter technology paired with robust overload protection, making it incredibly safe and reliable. It features easy arc initiation, a stable welding current, and low spatter for smooth and professional welds every time. The machine operates on dual voltage and dual frequency, automatically switching between 110 volt and 220 volts as needed. With accessories like a TIG torch, stick torch, ground clamp, and consumables included, it's ready to use right out of the box. The Tosense TIG 200 is a solid choice for users looking for dependable performance at a reasonable price point. Number 4 is the VEVOR 210A TIG welding machine, a true powerhouse with its 3-in-1 functionality. This unit is capable of TIG, arc, and cleaning operations, making it ideal for a wide range of materials like stainless steel, iron, mild steel, and even copper. Designed with portability in mind, it features a lightweight body and a comfortable handle, allowing you to take it anywhere you need. Its user-friendly interface and control panel make operation simple, even for beginners. Whether you're repairing household items like bed frames or tackling creative DIY projects, this machine delivers performance and reliability for all your welding needs. Number 3, we have the AIXZ AIT 200P, a versatile TIG welding machine that combines power with precision. It operates on AC/DC modes, making it perfect for welding a variety of materials, including aluminum, stainless steel, and carbon steel. This machine offers a broad TIG output current range from 10 A to 200 AS and a 60% duty cycle, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operation. It comes equipped with an array of accessories, including a TIG torch and MMA electrode holder, making it a ready-to-go solution for professional and personal projects alike. Number 2 is the HITBOX HBT 250P, a high-performance TIG welding machine packed with advanced features. It operates on dual input voltage, 110 volts for 220 volts, providing flexibility for various power sources. With its wide TIG output current range of 10 to 200 APS and MMA arc range of 20 to 180 AS, it handles diverse welding tasks effortlessly. The HITBOX HBT 250P also features a robust duty cycle of 60% and excellent efficiency at 85%, ensuring consistent performance. Its versatile functionality supports AC/DC TIG and MMA welding, making it suitable for welding materials like titanium, low alloy steel, and stainless steel, making it a complete solution for any welding need. Whether for industrial or personal use, this machine is a reliable companion. Finally, at number 1, we have the HZXVOGEN HVT 250P, a top-tier TIG welding machine designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. This machine supports AC/DC TIG, MMA, and pulse TIG welding, offering exceptional versatility. Its rated input power of 5.8 kVA and adjustable current output range of 10 to 200 ATFAN make it suitable for a wide variety of tasks, from delicate repairs to heavy-duty welding. Built with safety in mind, it features overload protection, a robust insulation class, and an IP21S protection rating. The HZXVOGEN HVT 250P is lightweight and portable, allowing you to carry it to any job site with ease. With its superior build quality, reliable performance, and included accessories, this welding machine stands out as the best on our list. It's the ultimate choice for those who demand excellence in their welding equipment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and the latest product updates.